Now you're going to go to your workbook, your Cracking Maths book, to page 139, 139. You're going to look at this page. Let's read the instructions together. We're talking about most and least. The instructions are asking us to colour the containers that hold the most green. So you need to get a green crayon. Colour the containers that hold the least blue. So you need to have a blue crayon. If you want to pause this now to go and get them and have them ready, you can do that. So let's look at this example here together. We see a bucket and we see a cup. So they want us to colour the containers that hold the most green and colour the containers that hold the least blue. I can't get those colours on my computer, so I am going to circle the container that holds the most. So I'm going to circle this bucket. This bucket holds the most. So I have circled instead of colouring green. You are going to colour this one green because that colour holds the most. Now we know if that holds the most, we know that this holds the least. So now you can get your blue crayon and you can colour in your cup blue. You can do that now. So you're going to do all of the other examples, this, all of the other examples and all of the other questions by yourself. Remember, colouring the container that holds the most green and the container that holds the least blue. Try your best to do this by yourself.